إن المتقين في مقام أمين في جنات وعيون يلبسون من سندس واستبرق متقابلين.
So one of the first lessons we can derive from this surah is about Shahadah. Shahadah means testimony, to testify. And this testimony could be about what's in one's heart. So, testimony is about revealing or conveying information to someone about something or someone that they don't really know very well. So, for instance, the opposite person doesn't know what's in your heart or in your mind. They can't read your heart or mind. So you are now acting as a witness. So there's a huge responsibility on you. Similarly, in a given situation, if others were absent and they weren't a witness, they weren't present on a particular occasion, they have no first-hand knowledge of that incident, of that situation. So they rely on the testimony of others. So those witnesses are brought. There's a huge responsibility on that witness and on their testimony. In a court of law, a witness has a great standing. The whole case may rest on the testimony of a witness or witnesses. So in any culture, in any religion, in any society, in any legal system, in any ethical system, when a person becomes a witness, they have a huge responsibility and they occupy a very lofty position, albeit momentarily. This is why Shahadah in Islam is also a huge responsibility. And that Shahadah, that testimony, could be about other people, a situation, an incident, where a person is providing and supplying knowledge to those who don't have first-hand knowledge. Or this testimony could be about oneself. The other person doesn't know what's in your heart and mind. So you are now acting as a witness over yourself. And you are telling them what's in your heart and what's in your mind. So you're not just speaking, you are now actually providing testimony. You are a witness. And false testimony is a major sin in Islam. A major sin. And that false testimony covers everything. So if you are providing testimony about others or an incident or a situation, it includes that. It also includes your testimony about yourself. So if you say to someone, I am your friend, and I mean well for you, you aren't just making a statement. You aren't just speaking words. You are acting as a witness over yourself, and this person is entirely reliant on you. Just like in any court case, the jury, the public gallery, the judge, the prosecution, the defense, in fact the whole world is reliant on you. They trust you. Similarly, when a person, if you say to someone, I am your friend and I mean well for you, you are a witness over yourself before that person. You aren't just speaking words, you aren't just making a casual statement. You are acting as a witness and you are providing a testimony. This person is entirely reliant on you because they trust you to tell them the truth about the state of your heart and mind. This is why Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says in a hadith, the meaning of which is, there is no greater treachery and betrayal than you say something to your brother whilst he trusts you and believes in you, but you are lying to him. Because that person is entirely reliant on you. This is testimony.